केंद्र सरकार जहां तक हो दिल्ली और पंजाब सरकार को परेशान करती है।
पिछले साल 26 जनवरी ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਝਾਕੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਸਖਤ ਇਤਰਾਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਕੋਲੇ।
As January nears, India braces for a whirlwind of historic events. The grand opening of the majestic Ram Mandir is on the horizon, a moment that echoes centuries of heritage and faith. But wait, don't be just swayed just yet, because January isn't just about a majestic temple. It's also about a spectacular Republic Day parade, a celebration etched in nation's soul. The air crackles with anticipation as rehearsals kick off in the Kartavya Path in the heart of the New Delhi. However, amidst this fervor, an unexpected twist has emerged. A brewing clash between the two political titans of Delhi, Bharatiya Janata Party and Aam Aadmi Party, gearing up for a showdown just before the Republic Day parade. Reportedly, Saurabh Bharadwaj, the Delhi Minister of Art, Culture and Languages, has unleashed a fiery accusation against the BJP-led government, branding their rejection of Delhi and Punjab's tableau for Republic Day parade as nothing short of a political vendetta. In a charged press conference, Bharadwaj adamantly defended their proposals, refuting any design flaws and asserting that they earnestly incorporated with the centre's guidelines. He passionately questioned the intent behind these rejections, suggesting a deliberate act of malice against the AAP-led government in the two regions. His assertions pointed finger at the repeated dismissals of the proposal that aimed to put spotlight on Delhi's innovative schools and revolutionary Mohalla clinic, something which Aam Aadmi Party often pitches off. Adding fuel to this political fire, Punjab's Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has also echoed similar statement, decrying a clear bias favoring BJP-ruled state in the selection process. The BJP, however, has swiftly countered these claims and has alleged that AAP is insisting on featuring Mann and Kejriwal's photograph in the tableau, an inclusion that the screening committee outrightly rejected. The Delhi BJP chief accused Kejriwal of shamelessly politicizing the national event. The BJP contends that the occasions are very prestige for the country and it represents the nation's pride, and accused the AAP of tarnishing their sanctity by pushing for personal agendas within the tableau. They hold firm to the belief that the rejection is simply due to AAP's insistence on including images of their leaders, dismissing it as an event marred by political opportunism. Sadly, this murky selection of tableau and its creation has become a very unfortunate battleground, with political tensions overshadowing the celebration of the nation's heritage and diversity.
केंद्र सरकार जहां तक हो दिल्ली और पंजाब सरकार को परेशान करती है। पंजाब सरकार के इतने सालों से जो बात चल रही है कि उनके पैसे नहीं दिए जा रहे, जो पैसे उनके जायज पैसे हैं वो फंड्स उनको रिलीज नहीं किए जा रहे। 26 जनवरी बहुत बड़ा मौका होता है देश के लिए। सारा देश जो है 26 जनवरी को देखता है, परेड को देखता है। उस समय हर राज्य के लिए बड़ा जरूरी है कि उस राज्य के अंदर क्या हो रहा है उसको पूरे देश को दिखाएं। और हम लोगों ने बार बार झांकी के लिए जो अपने प्रपोजल भेजे, 2022 में भेजा, रिजेक्ट किया, 23 में भेजा, रिजेक्ट किया, अभी 24 के लिए भेजा, ये भी रिजेक्ट कर दिया। अब तीसरा साल है। आप ये मान सकते हैं कि एक साल आपका रिजेक्ट हो सकता है, 2 साल हो सकता है, आप तीसरे साल लगातार जो है रिजेक्ट कर रहे हैं। पंजाब की झांकी को भी रिजेक्ट कर रहे हैं।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.